learn some vegetable names. At first, just look what is this. This is the picture of a tomato. Tomato. This is an onion. This is what is this? This is the picture of a carrot. Spinach. A brinjal. A cabbage. Potato and beans. So in this page there are some vegetables: potato, onion, carrot, spinach, brinjal, cabbage, potato and tomato, onion, carrot, spinach, brinjal, cabbage, potato and beans. Now go to the next page. Here also just look, there are some vegetable pictures. What is this? The first one is a cauliflower, a radish, a pumpkin, a cucumber, garlic, a bitter gourd, peas and chilies. So that is cauliflower, radish, pumpkin, cucumber, garlic, bitter gourd, peas and chilies. Now go to the next page. This is page number 12. Okay. Look, listen and read. Look at the pictures. Read the sentences after your teacher. Just look, this is the picture of a vegetable. Is this a potato? Yes, it is. Number 2. Is this a cabbage? No, it isn't. The cauliflower. Number 3. Is this an onion? No, it isn't. It is garlic. Number 4. Is this a brinjal? Yes, it is. Now students, please go to the next picture. Page. This is page number 13. Just look, there are some pictures of some vegetables. These are the pictures of some vegetables. So we have to say their names. So the first picture, what is this? Students, this is the picture of a tomato. And this one, what is this? This is the picture of a radish. What is this? This is the picture of carrot, potato, brinjal and cabbage. Okay? Students, now go to the next page. A dog on a log. Read the words aloud after your teacher. So what is this? The first picture is what? This is the picture of a dog, a log, a rod, a top, a pot, a pot. Dog, log, rod, top, pot and pot. Now students, go to the next page. This is unit 3 and the chapter's title is My Family. Listen and talk, listen to your teacher, take part in the conversation. Just look, this is the picture of a family. Okay, there are father, mother, grandfather, grandmother and siblings. Okay, that means the brothers and sisters. So this is the picture of a family. Now go to the next page. Number B, page number 16. Look, listen and read. Look at the pictures. Listen to your teacher. Read the sentences aloud after your teacher. Just look, this is the picture of a man. This is my father. He is a young man. This is my mother. She is a young woman. That means this lady. This is my grandfather. He is an old man. This is my grandmother. She is an old woman. This is my brother. He is a young boy. This is my sister. She is a young girl. This is my baby sister. She is very young. This is Scotty. He is our dog. And this is me. Okay, that means this girl is actually saying these things. Okay, that means she actually introduces her family members. Now go to the next page. What is this? Look, read and choose. Look at each picture, read the words below it, put a tick on the right word. At first look at the first picture. What is this? Who is this? Grandmother, grandmother or mother? She is grandmother. So we have to put a tick mark here. And he is he? He is a brother. And he is he? He is father. Just look, this girl is also introducing her family. Okay, now students, just go to page number 21. My father's farm. Read the words after your teacher. Just look here, the dog is barking here. So bark, a farm, a park, art, cars, cards, a cart. Okay students, so that means here we have learned what? Bark, a farm, a park, art, cars and a cart. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.